So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it. If you do not have the NVIDIA Control Panel installed, head over to the Microsoft Store, search for NVIDIA Control Panel and then download it. And then once you're on this, under display, you want to go to the change resolution tab. Make sure you have your correct monitor selected. Then you're going to click on customize. And then make sure that you tick this, enable resolution is not exposed by the display. You want to tick this and then click on create custom resolution. And then once you're on this, you can now set your custom resolution. So let's say I want to do like 1650 by 1080. So I'm going to type in 1650 right here, and then 1080 is already here. So just type in any resolution that you want. And you could also change your refresh rate as well. So my monitor is 144 Hz. I'm going to type 144 and then click on test. And then once this comes back up, you're going to click on yes. And then once this comes up, make sure that your new resolution has been ticked. And then click on OK. And now your resolution is going to appear right here. You want to select it and then click on apply. And now you want to go to adjust setup size and position. You want to make sure that you have this set to full screen. Make sure that this is on full screen and then click on apply. And then you should be good to go. Depending on what game you're playing, you may need to edit the game files of that game as well. But yeah, this is how you do it.